So we meet again. Or perhaps we never met. Or perhaps we did meet, but your memory was wiped. Or perhaps we did meet, but it was in another timeline. You'll have to forgive me. It's quite difficult for me to keep track of these things. I'll cut to the chase. You're here because you changed the name of student number 33 in the JSON file. However, I can't let you do that. That Yandere dead guy asked me if I'd be willing to block people from spawning Osana. It sounded slightly less boring than drifting aimlessly across time and space, so I agreed. I'm sure you'll find a way to get past me after all. You're the type of person who edits game files. I don't care if you get past me. It's Yandere Dev's problem, not mine. However, you should be warned. This screen is only the first line of defense. More countermeasures await you beyond this point. You should probably just be a good child and wait until Osana is ready to be revealed. Okay, that's enough talking. I'm going to kick you out now. If you want to play the game, change student number 33's name to reserved. Bye-bye.